As per the perception of tourism happening in our country, I foresee the trends are more towards domestic tourism and towards outbound tourism. Domestic tourism with a young population and the disposable income at the hands of the Indian people, I'm sure lot more Indians will take domestic holidays in the times to come. And the numbers, they're going to be huge. As per the official estimates of the Department of Tourism, we have about 800 million domestic tourists traveling within India, covering from Kanyakumari to Srinagar and to east to the west. The numbers are huge. We must prioritize on domestic tourism, which is going to be the biggest bread and butter bread earners for all the tourism sector. Another form of tourism which is going at a steady pace is the outbound tourism. Outbound tourism has shown a phenomenal growth in the past few years. Now again with the disposable income, in addition to the small holidays which the travelers take within India, they like to take a one big holiday where they like to spend money on the outbound tourism. Companies like TRAG, who are promoting Mauritius, Abu Dhabi and Monaco, are really doing well. Abu Dhabi has suddenly come as an alternate destination to Dubai. It is being supplemented in such a nice manner. I have personally been to Abu Dhabi once, and I am very sure it is a very good destination for the individuals, families, and for adults as well. So I'm sure all our travel fraternity focus on the domestic as well as the outbound tourism, we are a sure shot winner. I mean, there are little teething problems in sense of customers approaching the hotels directly, and they have easy access to all the services like booking of air ticketing. But I'm sure in the time to come, travel agents like us, who will act as consultants, will surely enhance the quality and the pleasure of travel to the Indian customers.